Hey there, take a look at this. This is my affiliate marketing account showing I've made over $500,000. Now, what if I told you I made all this from a handful of small YouTube channels that nobody would even consider big or successful by normal standards? My name is David Mills, and I've been a full-time YouTuber and affiliate marketer for the last 5 years, but I did things completely backwards from what all the experts tell you to do. I have over 2 million total views across my channels, which sounds like a lot, but honestly, in the YouTube world, that's not much. Some guys get that on a single video, but here's the secret. I didn't need millions of views per month. I didn't even show my face. I'm going to show you exactly how I built a $500,000 business by breaking all the rules. I've had single videos bring in over $10,000 in commissions, all without a massive audience. It came down to a few key things that the gurus just get wrong. First, they tell you that you need to have amazing, high production, quality videos. You need perfect lighting, an expensive camera, fancy editing, and you have to be this super charismatic person on screen. I'm here to tell you that's not true. For years, I did nothing but record my computer screen. That's it. I focused on speed and quantity over quality. While other people were spending a week making one perfect video, I was making 5 or 6 good enough videos. The second thing they tell you is that you need to chase views. They say it's all about getting on the trending page, going viral, and getting millions of subscribers. My approach was the opposite. I wasn't trying to get 1 million views on a video. I was trying to get the right 1,000 views. I was targeting a very specific person with a specific problem and showing them that solution. The solution, more often than not, was an affiliate product that I was promoting. Because the videos were so targeted, the people watching were way more likely to buy. And the third and most important thing was that I just stuck with it. That's the real secret sauce. I just kept grinding. I kept publishing videos consistently, day in and day out, week in and week out. Most people give up after a month or two if they don't see instant results. I just kept my head down and kept working because I knew the process worked. I was building a library of helpful content that worked for me 24/7. And I was building an audience that over time grew to know, like, and trust me. That trust is what turns a viewer into a buyer. It's how I became a top 5% affiliate on platforms like Warrior Plus and JVZoo. It wasn't a fluke, it was a system. And it's a system you can follow too. Now, I want to be crystal clear here. Simple does not mean easy. It takes consistent work. There's no magic button, but if you're stuck in a 9-to-5 that you hate and you're willing to put in the work to build a real online business, this is a real path forward. So let's get into the nuts and bolts. Step 1. Pick your niche. This is where so many people get stuck, but it's straightforward. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Pick a specific topic that you either know something about or are willing to learn about. The best niches are the ones where people have problems and are actively looking for solutions. Think about things like health and fitness, software tutorials, online marketing, personal finance, or even hobbies like woodworking or gardening. My sweet spot was always the make money online and software tutorial space. Why? Because people in that niche are already looking to spend money on tools and training that will help them achieve a result. I would find a piece of software, learn how to use it, and then create a bunch of videos teaching people how to do specific things with that software. It's that simple. You become the go-to person for that topic. Quick break. If you're serious about making this work, you need to check out my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator School community. You get to work directly with me, jump on live calls, and get access to in-depth courses and training that go way deeper than I can cover in a single video. This is for people who want to stop messing around and actually build their business. Check it out in the description below. Now, step number 2, find your affiliate product. Once you have your niche, you need something to sell. This is where platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank come in. There's many other ones as well. I built my business on Warrior Plus. You can go on there right now, sign up for free, and browse the marketplace for products in your niche. Look for products with good sales stats and good vendor and low refund rates. This tells you that the product is high quality and people are happy with it. Request your affiliate link, and once you're approved, you get a special link. It's called an affiliate link. Anytime someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a commission, sometimes as high as 50% or even 100% on the front end product. I've had days where I made $680 or even $942 and beyond. just from these simple commissions adding up. Now, step number 3, create simple how-to videos. This is the core of the strategy. Your job is to create helpful content that solves a problem for your viewer. Don't overthink it. Formula for your videos is dead simple. Identify a problem. What is something your target audience struggles with? For example, how to create a logo for my business. Present the solution, walk them through step by step how to solve that problem. This is where you just record your screen. You'd literally go to a logo making software and become an affiliate and show them exactly what buttons to click. Recommend the tool. At the end of the video, you say, by the way, the software I was using in the video is called Product Name, right? It's a great tool for this. And if you want to check it out, I've left my special affiliate link in the description below. That's it. You've provided value first, and then you've made a relevant offer. You're not being a pushy salesperson, you're being a helpful guide. Now, a quick but very important point on this. You need to use your own voice. Just talk naturally, like you're explaining it to your friend or your best friend even. Please do not use those robotic AI text-to-speech voices. They create an instant disconnect with your audience. People buy from people, and your real voice, even if you think it sounds weird, is one of the most powerful tools you have for building trust. My entire $250,000 business from faceless channels was built using my own voiceover and a screen recording. Step number 4, build your email list from day one. This is a step most beginners skip, but it's how you turn a small YouTube channel into a real long-term business. In the description of every single one of your videos, you should have a link to a simple page where people can give you their email address in exchange for something valuable for free. This is called a lead magnet. It could be a simple PDF checklist, a short guide, or a free video training, or even a free course. Why is this so important? Because your email list is an asset that you own. YouTube could shut down your channel tomorrow, but nobody can take your email list away from you. This is a massive part of my strategy and how I'm able to generate consistent income regardless of what the YouTube algorithm is doing. Now, step number 5, be consistent. No matter what. I know I said this before, but it is the single biggest factor for success. You have to commit to publishing videos regularly, whether it's once a week or 3 times a week. The algorithm rewards consistency, and more importantly, your audience rewards it. When you show up consistently, you are proving that you are reliable and trustworthy. Every video you publish is another asset working for you, another chance for someone to find you, another opportunity to make a sale, and another brick in the foundation of your business. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a get-rich-for-sure plan if you're willing to put in the time and effort. It's about building a real audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. When you have that, they will not only buy products you recommend, but if you ever decide to create your own digital products like courses or coaching, they will be the first ones in line to buy from you. That is the power of building a real brand, even if it's a faceless one. You have a choice. You can keep chasing the shiny objects and the guru promises that never seem to work out, or you can start today, right now, building a real business using this simple, proven formula. All it takes is a computer, a free screen recorder, and the willingness to do the work. If this video helped you out, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my free training. I'm showing you the real stuff here, no fluff. Drop a comment below and let me know what your biggest challenges in affiliate marketing are. I read every single one. And if you want to work directly with me and get access to my complete system, check out the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator link in the description. It's the fastest track to getting this done right. I'll see you in the next video.